Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Today is 12th of January 2021. Briefly before we come back to this strategy right here, just to let you guys know that we just released another trading software which is very effective, the Pips Reaper binary automated trading bots. And for those who haven't purchased the boat, it's another boat entirely, so you have to go and purchase this boat. It's just 7.99. It's just a one-time purchase, no updates. Just once to purchase the boat, it's based on digits, so we don't need to update the boat regularly. The boat is very effective, and here are some of the results on web trader. You can see it's a live account. You can see the boat right here. You can see it's very effective. These are some of the results of the boats right here. Sorry, that's the telescoper. So this is the link to purchase the boat, binary Pips Reaper boats, the citywidetechnologies.com.ng. just visit this URL to purchase the boats, just 7.99 USD. For those who haven't purchased the telescoper boat as well, with the boat, the version 5.0 is out and it's still very effective. You can see the boats right here. Just visit www.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. You continue to send updates on the telescoper boat when there's a new update. You can see the boats right here. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just subscribe. Here again are the links. There's a link to purchase the Pips Reaper boats, binary Pips Reaper boats.citywidetechnologies.com.ng, and this is a link to purchase the telescoper boats right here. That's telescoper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng, and here are the link for those who don't have a trading account. Use the link on our YouTube page to sign up for a free trading account to test all our strategies. This is a link to subscribe to our channel. This is the first channel and this is the second channel. Just subscribe to all our strategies. Subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's get back to the trading. We'll be trading the volatility 25 index, in and out, ends outside. So we're using the web trader. So just log in to webtrader.binary.com and choose the volatility 25 index. Then you click on the in and out, then you click on ends outside. The duration is 2 minutes, just like the volatility 75. The high barrier offset is plus 0.203 and the low barrier offset is minus 0.341. You enter the payout. So the return is 16.8. You can see when it's facing up there, we click on purchase. We are working with the warm movement. When it's green and it's facing up, we'll click on purchase. So we have to wait for 1 minute 49 seconds. We are still in between, but we are going to go outside once we're about to close the trade. We're outside here already. The gap is still thin. We are in between again, so we have to wait. We still have a minute 33 seconds. We are outside now. We are in again. So we are heading outside the higher barrier. 853. Okay, we want that trade there, we want that trade. So let me just quickly explain to you. So actually we want the trade with just 1 pip. The exit spot right here, 2853.201, and these are higher barrier, 2853.200. so 201 is higher than 200. Actually the pips is the margin is just too close, but we want the trade. But in our next trade we are going to be watching the wall movement carefully. When it goes up, you have to wait for like few seconds. You can see we are working with the edge of the movement right there. When it goes up, we are going to be clicking on purchase. So it's facing up, it's down again. We are working with the edge of the wall movement. You can see it's down, so we have to wait. Okay, it's facing up there, so click on view. Let's view the. So we have a minute 52 seconds, 50 seconds. We are still in between. Okay, we're outside. The margin is low. We are back in again. So we are outside and the margin is getting wider. We have 44 seconds, 42. Margin is wide. So the current spot is 285475, which is higher than the higher barrier. So the margin is still wide. As you can see, we have just few seconds left and the margin is still wide. You can see we want that trade, the final price, we want the trade plus 16.82%. So you can go on and on and on. Just watch the wall movement carefully if you are using the strategy, and don't forget to visit binary pips reaper both the citywide technology to purchase the pips reaper boats, and top scalper citywide-technology.com.ng to purchase the top scalper boats, and subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.